Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks for You. Today in this video I will show you the best websites to learn hacking. If you are interested in hacking, then by using these websites you can learn easily hacking. So I will show you the 7 most important websites to learn hacking. First of all, I request to you, if you don't subscribe my channel, then please go to my channel and subscribe my channel because I uploaded daily tips and tricks videos for you. So let's begin the video. So first two websites I am showing you, touchworm.net and postbytes.com. It is almost, these two websites are almost as hacking news. So if you want to know hacking news, so by using these two websites you can know about hacking news. So the third one website is sectools.org. As you know, everyone need tools for hacking. So in this website you can find tools for hacking. You can see here Wireshark, Metasploit, Nessus, Aircracks, Node, etc. You find almost every tool in this website for hacking. So the number 4 is hackingtutorial.com. In this website all hacking tutorials is available, I think. So go this website and deeply search this website and step by step learn hacking. So number 5 is hack this website. This website is fast challenging. You need to test your hacking knowledge, that how much knowledge you gain. So by using this website you can practical on your hacking knowledge. You can see here challenges, basic missions, realistic mission, etc. So this website for challenging. So number 6 is hackingtutorials.org. So this is also about hacking tutorials. In this website you can also find hacking tutorials. So by using this website you can also learn hacking knowledge. So wonder how to, it is also about hacking tutorial. So log picking in verse mesh keyword sims. So in this website you can also learn hacking. So if you interested in hacking, then these 7 websites for you, and deeply study these websites and watch the tutorials, and by practical on hacking you can learn easily hacking. So today I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel because I uploaded daily tips and tricks videos for you. Subscribe my video, share my video, like, comment and share to others. Thanks for watching.